is so pretty, kind of like me. That was rude, and I'm hurt. What's up? My name's Sarah. I'm not a beauty guru, but I do like playing with makeup. That's my daughter in the background. I did this look today by BHCOSMETICS, Take Me Back to Brazil. I'll be doing a giveaway on this. I'm gonna prime my face with Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer. I actually like this stuff. Last time I used it, I didn't think I liked it. I'm going to be using these new brushes and trying them out unless I suck. I got it from BHCOSMETICS. I use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in 102. Let my primer dry before I started putting on my foundation. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Tarte Shape Tape. I'm highlighting the center of my face with concealer and bringing that part of my face forward, so when I contour and bronze the cheekbones later, it'll help it appear skinnier and catfish you into thinking I have some cheekbones. I also put it on top of my eyelids to give a good eyeshadow base so it blends and gives more pigment to the eyeshadow. I bounce a warm wet beauty blender on my face so it blends in the concealer just like my foundation. I take extra time when I blend under my eyes to avoid creasing and adding more wrinkles to my under eye. I'm just blending everything in and spouting nonsense like I usually do. I dyed my wig and it came out like a purplish blue tint in silver, but the roots are still this reddish brown that it was originally like. But I'm going to try to get those roots black, and if I could, that wig's going to look snatched, y'all. I'm gonna set my under eyes with Coty Airspun now with the beauty blender. Look how messed up this got. Oh, that looks nasty. I'm baking my under eye to basically lock in the concealer, and then I set the rest of my face with powder to help everything stay longer and to blend better. Got this Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Just want to make sure I'm honest with you and let you know that my pants are unbuttoned due to my fatness, and I also just took a poop, but it was a little poop, so. The reason I'm like this and gross and like say stuff like that is because I just think people take stuff too seriously. I just think it's funny to be gross too. So I'm just buffing out some of the powder. My back is barking. Wait, don't your feet bark? Why do they bark? I just want to make sure there's no creases in my faces. Okay, I admit that one was really gross. Still gonna put it on here. Straight out of Compton, crazy mother. This middle yellow color, this one right here, and the other yellow color right here is this color. I just went into this yellow color. Alright, I'm scared. I've never used colors like this. Alright. Whoa. I'm just gonna add a little bit more just to be more vibrant. This was $12, you guys, for all those colors. They've got matte colors too. I've got one from them that's matte colors, and you can see that in my haul video. So that will be linked as soon as it's up. I will link it in the description. Always make sure that I'm blending it right here. This color right here. I swatched it. I'm gonna blend this in my crease. Take it in circular motions from my outer corner up, taking it in the very corner underneath and blending up. I'm definitely gonna be doing more colorful looks in the future. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, or you can subscribe for charity work. If you haven't donated to your local charity yet, you can go ahead and subscribe, and that would be just as good. Always take your colors, usually from light to dark. Oh my gosh, my eyes look like Cheetos. This green right here is this color swatch. I take my smaller blending brush and go right into this shade right here, and I will swatch it really quick for you. Ooh, it's pigmented. Just remember, all these colors are a lot brighter in person, and it is that one. Alright, so I'm gonna dip into that shade. I guess I'm doing a damn sunset look. Alright, I'm just gonna blend that out lightly with my big fluffy blending brush. I just swatched these colors. That's the green, that's the black, and then this is the white, and they're like this iridescent, not pink, swatched. Looks like this. This pink right here is this pink color right here. I'm gonna use this color right here. I'm gonna pack it onto this brush. Look at that. Wow. See that? See how vibrant these colors are? I'm gonna do a purple in the corner, I think. It's purple right there. It's this color right here. It's got some iridescence in it also. Start packing that on the outer corner. This is the only one I've had trouble with so far. This has a lot more pigment and I just like the color more. Right there. That's the top corner purple right there. My husband is, I'm very lucky because he's taking care of my daughter while I get this done, so there's not all the noise and distraction. I really lucked out with him. He's such a good guy and father and husband. And I'm putting that on the outer corner under my eye. This color right here, if you look close when it is swatched, it's matte, but there is not tiny sparkles in it. That is so pretty. It's this one right here. It is so pretty, kind of like me. That was rude, and I'm hurt. I feel so bad. She looks so sad. I hate it. We banished her to the swing. This is like a mermaid. I gotta use this. It's so pretty. I gotta use it. Oh, I'm so excited. It is so pretty, like a mermaid. I never used to be like this. I didn't even wear makeup. I wore boy clothes till I was like 14. Oh my gosh, that one. You guys have to try this. It's so freaking pretty. Drink every time I make you cringe. That's a good challenge for alcohol poisoning. Wow, that escalated quickly. Okay. I'm gonna go into this pretty dark, like midnight blue. It's got some sparkles in it, but it is this blue. Alright, I'm gonna put this on the very outer corner and almost like line my eyes. And I don't want to go too far because I don't want to cover up that pink. Very pigmented, blends easy. I have to make sure she don't jump off of that because she like tries to commit suicide off that thing. So yeah, I just blended this out just very lightly so it doesn't look harsh. You don't want harsh lines, especially with a colorful look. Oh yeah, look at that. Even with my crappy camera you can see it. Go into the inner corner. Like I said, this is the matte color and it's this yellow right there. I'm just blending these colors like all the way to the top of my brow. Highlighting your inner corner of your eye is also going to make your eyes pop and just bring your eyeshadow look together and make your eyes look a little bigger. I'm going to do my brows really quick. I'll be back. I always have trouble with this eyebrow because I got it pierced when I was 15 in a swap meet. It always has trouble getting pigment or whatever on that eyebrow. Alright, to get a fade here, I always put a little bit of powder on the beauty blender and lightly press it there, and it can help them look more even. I'm using butter bronzer. I've been using this every time, so I don't like using this anymore. I wouldn't recommend this CoverGirl chocolate bronzer. It's too pigmented. It doesn't blend well. So what you get is like a mess that you have to blend for an hour. Oh, that's kind of cute. Sorry. If you're still here, I thank you for watching my video. I know I try to make these videos as short as possible. I think people can only take a little bit of me at a time. I'm going to use Maybelline Line Stiletto. I'm scared to do a wing because it could like mess everything up. I look crazy, I know I do. Alright, I gotta use this holographic stuff from Sani Alley. It's actually holographic. I also got a gold one. I'm gonna use the Milani blush in Tea Rose. I always do this like one of the last steps before I highlight. I just tried this out recently in a video. They're watering because I got all that liner in my eyes. I got my lashes on, and I'm gonna have a tough time getting these off because this glue sticks too, but this is the finished look. Oh my gosh, I forgot highlight. I'm gonna try this Wet n Wild. It's a loose powder highlight, it's really glittery. It looks like this. See? You really have to dust it off. But this is a real, like, bright highlight. So I think for this colorful look, it'll do good. I just got glitter everywhere. I gotta hurry so I can make dinner. The unspoken rule about lipstick and eyeshadow is if you do a bold eye, do like a simple nude lip or some gloss. If you do a regular, like a matte, really simple look, like a light eyeshadow look, then you can go with like a bold lip, which I want to start. I got some purple lipstick that I want to try. Every video I'm gross and in a hurry, and there's loud noises in the background. So this is Stay Glossy by Rimmel London. This is L'Oreal Paris in Power Petal. Looks like that. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. If you'd like to see more looks, I'll be doing some green and blue looks and just all sorts of colorful stuff. This is how it looks. I'll be doing a giveaway. I'll be choosing one person that comments down below to give the palette to once I get to 100 subscribers. Comment down below, subscribe. You'll have a really good chance of winning with how many people are commenting down below, so I would just go ahead and do it. And plus, I mean, look at this palette. Don't you want it? I'm gonna go get in some PJs and relax and get off my phone and play with my baby, so...
You're a smelly little pea monster.
She's a superhero.
Ah.
Yeah. Her dress is like riding.